Today we're going to install a BesserTrim cutting system and DECIMATOR cutters on a Stihl FS410C. Are you struggling to change the nylon line for your brush cutter / trimmer? We have found an easy solution to reduce stress and time using a BesserTrim cutting head system with easy to install cutters. Unlike the conventional way of wrapping around the nylon cord in the cutting head, BesserTrim cutting system simply involves inserting new cutters into the patented keyhole slots. In this video, we will demonstrate installing the DECIMATOR cutters, which are the most durable and powerful on the market. Please note before you start, the BesserTrim cutting system is only suitable for straight shaft machines, as well as machines that have a 200+ cutting radius. You can use the measurement tool on the back to measure this. To remove the steel parts, you need a locking pin. Place the locking pin at the back head to remove. Using the recommended Torx spanner and making sure the locking pin is securely in place, unscrew clockwise until you remove the guard washer, thrust washer and the collar nut. Place the new cutting system, the washer and nut into position. Make sure the locking pin is securing the parts together using the Torx. Tighten the nut in an anti-clockwise motion. Now fit the wear pad by clicking into position. You can now insert the cutters. Push the new cutter small end first into the loading slot so it moves between the top and bottom flanges. Put the cutter through until the ball locates into the loading slot. Once in place, check the cutter swivels freely. Begin by using 2 cutters and only increase to 4 if your engine allows. Removing the cutters. When worn, you will need to remove the cutters, or if you are changing the type of cutter needed for a certain growth of lawn. Using the locking pin, push the ball from underneath, so you can pull the cutter out from the slot. Then, either using the locking pin or the cutter, do the same for the other cutters until removed. As a tip, replace the cutters when they have worn. This is when the cable frays and therefore shortening the cutter. Grooves will also naturally form in the ball. Removing the cutting system. To remove the cutting system, simply place the locking pin securely in the back and unscrew the nut using the provided Torx spanner. You will now be able to release the nut, washers and cutting system. Replace with the desired tools such as a blade for more heavy-duty tasks. That's how you install a BesserTrim cutting system and DECIMATOR cutters on a Stihl FS410C. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.